important that when a tax preparer is selecting cloud-based software, they're reliable but also very innovative. One advantage of cloud-based software is the ability to use multiple devices. With desktop software, you're really limited to just a PC, whereas with cloud-based software, you can use a PC, you can use a laptop, or you could even use a tablet. We have a lot of tax preparers saying, hey, I've got a Mac computer, can I use your software? With cloud-based software, you're able to do that.
You're free to be anywhere you want and work on your tax program. You can be on vacation, you can file tax returns, you can tell a client the status of their tax return. You've got full access to your office even though you may not physically be there.
The tax industry is changing, and what we found out is taxpayers aren't as willing to come to the brick and mortar tax offices. So tax preparers are actually having to go to their customers now, whether it's their home or their place of business to prepare these taxes. Cloud-based gives you that flexibility to move or visit that taxpayer. Another advantage of cloud-based software is automatic updates. When the IRS or the state release tax law changes, we update the software. With your desktop software, the preparer would need to go out, pick up those updates before they can even prepare taxes.
With cloud-based tax software, you're not required to pick up updates. The tax software program automatically updates for you.
Once the tax preparer finishes the return or is even still in the return, the data is constantly being backed up to cloud-based servers. This is a little different from a desktop where the preparer in a lot of situations has to physically back up to the hard drive or maybe even a flash drive.
Another advantage is data security. You no longer have to worry about your local tax office and your tax program, your tax computer being secured. It's all handled for you in the cloud with high-level encryption and redundant backups.
Another advantage of cloud-based software is reduced customer support or technical support. It eliminates time and expenses. From a time standpoint, you've got the automatic backup, so the ERO or preparer is not having to do that after finishing returns. From an expense standpoint, cloud-based software allows you to eliminate having to get expensive servers or complicated networks set up.
From networking your computers in your office to having to hire an IT expert, that's all taken care of for you as well. It actually improves our tech support to our clients by reducing the actual contacts that we have with them. One of the ways that TaxSlayer Pro is working to be innovative is through our mobile strategy. We created Taxes to Go, our mobile app, a few years ago, and have seen great growth with it these past few years. It enables the tax preparer to compete in a market they hadn't been able to compete in previously. For a taxpayer that doesn't want to go to a traditional tax office and may tend to go to an online provider, this allows that preparer to onboard that client so that they don't have to physically come into an office.
TaxSlayer has been doing this for many years, and what we found out is it is so important that cloud-based software is reliable. Tax preparers have only really 3.5 months to generate a year's worth of revenue. And if their cloud-based software is down, there are constant updates or issues with it, they're going to miss out on a lot of revenue. So it is so important that when a tax preparer is selecting cloud-based software, they're reliable but also very innovative.